Alrighty artists, what we are going to start with today is laying out your entire paper so that you have 8 different sections. 8 different sections in which you will try a different watercolor technique in every section. So if we look at our example up on the screen here, this is what your paper should look like when you are finished. You should have 8 different spots to put 8 different techniques, and you also will write the different techniques that we plan to use on each box. So, if we go back to the demonstration table, you will need a ruler, a longer ruler that's about 18 inches, and you will need a pencil. And essentially what you're going to do is eyeball about halfway across your paper, and you are going to put one line going through the middle. If you would like to measure halfway across your paper, we're going to measure where the 9-inch mark is. And then you're actually going to also create another line right through the middle. So right now you have 4 different sections. Now we just need to divide each half in order to create the 8 sections. So I am again going to kind of eyeball this and divide this half into 4 sections, and then eyeball this side and make sure that I have 4 sections over here. And altogether I should have 8. From then on, you are going to look at this example and you are going to write all 8 of these different techniques on your paper. So for example, in box 1, you are going to write wet paper plus drops of color, wet paint plus salt for box 2, wet paint plus plastic wrap for box 3. You'll put your name somewhere on the paper. That's very important because all of these will look very similar. In box 4, you will write blend 2 to 3 colors. Box 5, crayon plus paint. Box 6, oil pastel plus paint. Box 7, wet paint plus paper towel. And box 8, dots of paint blended. After you have this step done, you can put your ruler away and prepare for the tutorial videos. Make sure that you have a watercolor palette, a paintbrush, a piece of paper towel, and also a piece of saran wrap in order to get started.